Hello everyone! If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you all for joining. I'm Arlene and you're on my Chic Purse channel. If you like luxury handbags and travel, I'm inviting you to join my YouTube family and follow me on Instagram at my Chic Purse. And don't forget to hit that bell button. Crossing out another hard to find piece on my wish list. I like how they put the ribbon just around this upper portion so you can just pull out the box without destroying the ribbon. I'm loving the holiday gift cards. Any idea what I got? Let me just put the box on this side. It comes with this dust bag. Dun, da, da, da. The exterior is in one-piece monogram canvas, front and back. And when you open it, this is how it looks on the inside. The interior is made of cowhide leather. It says Made in France. There are 3 card slots on this side and slip pockets on both sides. Any idea what I'm going to use this for? This is the Louis Vuitton Pocket Agenda cover. I am now going to open this box here so you can see the full set. And this is the 2021 Pocket Agenda insert. As you can see, this Louis Vuitton insert has this Vivian watercolor illustration boards on the cover and on its monthly pages. It comes with these cute colorful stickers, perforated corners with 184 pages, and all pages are embossed or lined with silver. What I love about this pocket agenda is the silhouette. Clean, narrow, slim, just the perfect size for my small bags. And if you want to be minimalist, you don't need a wallet. Functions as a wallet and agenda in one. Here's my Alma BB for size comparison. So whether you place it upright, or flat right on the bottom of the bag, no problem. It sits perfectly like so. Wish I can show you more of my bags to show you how this fits in other smaller bags. However, this is the only bag left with me as all my bags have already been shipped back to the US where we will be moving back soon. Crossing my fingers and toes, they are safe wherever they are right now. Know that I've been stalking this pocket agenda and insert for months. I even started looking at luxury pre-loved websites, but even these pre-loved websites, they didn't have it. Until I got this email from Louis Vuitton saying that 2021 inserts are now available. I went straight to the website and ordered it. I ordered this last Tuesday. It arrived yesterday, Friday. Today is Saturday, and as of filming, it's still on the website. If you're thinking of getting this because this is a hard to find piece, head to the website now while it's still in stock. If you enjoyed my unboxing today, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye!